Hey YouTube, Sack Guy here. We'll talk today about the Swiss Army Hunter. Now, this is a 111 millimeter knife. Has a locking blade. Closed length is 4¼ inches. The blade itself, the main cutting blade, is 3¼ inches. Overall length when it's opened is 7 5/8 inches, and the width of the knife, going this way, is 3/4 inch. It weighs 3.7 ounces. Now, this knife is a locking blade, as I said, and it's got kind of a unique lock. It's got this gray slide here on the side. Now, when you open up, use a nail nick. You can hear it open. And you try to close it, it won't. Now, if you pull this back, it closes. So, that blade locks. That's not why it's called the Hunter. It has your main blade. Then, trying to get the saw to come out. A saw blade and then, as you can see here, it has a gutting blade. This is why it's called the Hunter. It's got a combination screwdriver, can opener, bottle opener blade, 3.5 inch, 3.5 inch saw blade on it, and then your locking main blade. And again, to close it, you have to pull that down. Now, this gutting blade, a buddy of mine swears by it. He says that when he goes to skin or gut a deer, he makes a small incision, sticks this blade in there, and it's like a zipper. Says it reduces his time of field dressing the animal by about 1/3. Now, this also has on the back corkscrew and an awl. It has a key ring, toothpick, and tweezers. This is a Victorinox. Again, like I said, it's the larger knife. It's 111 millimeters long, which is, 4¼ inches. For a general all-around knife, the blade works very fine. Don't know if you can see. Might be a little bit of crud on here. This knife has been used a bit. In just general cutting applications. And again, it's a fairly large knife to fit in your pocket. I know some folks will take, with the key ring, they'll hook up a lanyard to it, slide it in their pocket, have that hooked to their belt loop or belt so that they don't lose it, or have a large pouch that they'll slide it into, just a generic pouch. But the only thing that I really don't care for on this particular knife, even though I have used it quite a bit, is this combination tool. In a pinch, it'll work as a can opener. It's not like the normal style of Victorinox can opener where when you put it in the can, you push down, you go forward. This one is like the Boy Scout one where you will put it into the can and then pull it back. The edge, see if you can see it, thins out a little bit at the point, and as I said, it's not too bad for opening up cans in a pinch. What I don't like is how it goes down and to the screwdriver, because trying to use it as a screwdriver, it folds up on me quite a bit, especially if you have to put any pressure or torque onto it. I would have preferred if they'd had the standard can opener on there. It would have made it a lot better. The back spring on this is just like a regular Swiss Army knife. It's got a bit of a strong spring. I mean, it's not impossible to open, or not really that hard to open, but there is some resistance there. And the thing I like is the lock on the side. It's got aluminum spacers in it, but the lock, as I said before, you have to pull it back. You can see where you pull it back and then just close it as you normally would a knife, any knife. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this. You can follow me on Facebook at the Sack Guy. Please leave your comments below, and always remember, be prepared.